Hello everyone, welcome to Lectures Online, and today we are going to study about the most important topic nowadays, the thing that you must be familiar with, and it is very important for you being a science student, being a student of general science or biology or FSC pre-medical. You guys have to know about the coronavirus, what actually coronavirus is, and what is its structure, how it replicates. All of these things are very important to know. Here in this short video, I am just going to tell you what is the structure of coronavirus basically. So before going into detail, let me tell you that this coronavirus word, just this single word coronavirus, is basically composed of two words: corona and virus. Now, this corona basically is a word that is composed of this corona basically a word that comes from Latin language. Now, in the Latin, corona means crown, and virus, you guys better know that virus is any living entity or it's any microorganism that is causing disease in human beings or other animals, and that only multiply within the living cells of the host. So we can say that coronavirus is basically a virus with a crown. Now what does that mean, a virus with a crown? So basically, for that reason, we have to just look at the structure of our coronavirus. So this is the coronavirus. Now you can see that the coronavirus is a virus that is much spherical in shape, and this virus has a lipid envelope. Now this is the lipid envelope of the virus. This circle is the lipid envelope of the virus, and these are the spiky projections around the virus. Now because of these spiky projection, this virus is called as the coronavirus. Now there are some rumors that the corona basically this disease is originated from a city named Corona, or just like other things are going around, but it's not like that. Coronavirus is named as corona because it has spiky projection on its surface that are as I told you, comes from the Latin word crown. So it's look like mostly it look like a crown. That's why it is known as the coronavirus. Now there's only two parts of its structure: lipid envelope and the spiky projection. Along with these two parts, our virus also have a RNA. Now you know that viruses can be either they are DNA viruses or RNA virus. Now this coronavirus is basically an RNA virus, and it has an RNA that is single-stranded RNA, and positive strand is present inside them. Now along with this positive strand, there are some proteins that are part of the coronavirus. Now these proteins can be the S protein, E protein, M protein and N protein. Now what is the basis of the naming of these proteins? Basically these proteins are named according to the part of the coronavirus where they are present. S proteins means that these are the proteins that are basically the surface glycoproteins, and they are present on the surface of the coronavirus. Then E proteins are basically the envelope proteins that are present on the envelope of the coronavirus, and M proteins are basically present on the membrane of the coronavirus and known as the M proteins. And then N proteins are the nucleocapsid proteins that are present inside the coronavirus. Now these proteins, along with the RNA and along with the other part of the coronavirus, they are very important for the replication of the virus, for the formation of new viruses inside the living host. So all of this machinery is very important. As you can see here, this is a single-stranded messenger RNA of the virus that I just took from here, and this single-stranded RNA virus basically this single-stranded messenger RNA get converted into the negative messenger RNA, and this negative messenger RNA along with these proteins then forms a new virus that bud out from the cell. Now this is a whole process that I will tell you in a separate video, but here in this video I am just telling you that what is the structure and what is the purpose of different parts of the structure of the coronavirus. Now let me tell you one more thing, that RNA polymerase. Now this is also a very important part of the coronavirus structure. RNA polymerase is present there, and the role of this RNA polymerase is basically to convert the positive strand of messenger RNA to the negative strand. Now, because this conversion is very important, that's why the RNA polymerase gene is an important part of our coronavirus. So summarizing everything, you can say that the coronavirus have a lipid envelope with a spiky projection, a single-stranded messenger RNA, RNA polymerase, and some proteins. So any virus that has this characteristic is classified into this family of viruses, and this coronavirus is a single term. It's not a single virus. Basically, coronavirus is a whole family of viruses, and this family have various types and various viruses, and out of all of these types, out of all of these species, COVID-19 is just a single species that is causing viral infection in human beings nowadays. So you have to take it separately. Coronavirus is a genus, and COVID-19 is a disease that is caused by a species of coronavirus. So this is some vital information that I have to share with you, and this is the basic structure of coronavirus, and that will obviously help you in your study. So for today, it's enough. I will come up with a new video about the replication of the coronavirus and how it causes disease in your body and what are the effects of this disease. So for that, stay tuned to the lecture online.